So
Rocky.
you're a very church person.
Rocky. You want a
But
drink?
I think it's about all religions.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And this is the date ideas in Singapore. Okay, how was breakfast? Okay. Meh. Where are we going?
To make ring.
To make ring. Yeah, gonna be a fun workshop. Don't mind me. Oh, sorry.
No. Here you go. Yeah, so this one currently on this steel board here is your practice bar. And after this one is a smaller A. Yeah, so usually a smaller one is a lot easier to line them out. So you can see a difference. Smaller one and the bigger one. Yes. Okay. Yes, so this is for the numbers in the alphabets and it's a
See, you went to the side. Can.
You see that it turns a little bit of green. It's touching. Take two.
Take two. So yeah, come on down to like Kobo jewelry workshop, ring workshop. It's quite fun. Good boy. Sleep. Yeah, overcook it. What is this over Ooh, okay. Then try. Meat juice. Oh well, so that is the first video of 2022 date ideas in Singapore. we went pretty chill with this one. So firstly, it was just a normal, I think they've won a few awards, they put it out there, but you know, I wasn't in the mood to like go around to shoot, just one day for the food. I think it was quite decent, the price is decent, so great. And the ring making, woo, that was so interesting, man. I mean, yeah, trying to make the ring from scratch. So the only complaint that I have with the ring making is that we didn't get to, you know, melt our own silver. Yeah, because I've seen a few videos on YouTube, you know, people melting things down, molding it, and then the rest of the process that we did there was pretty cool. It's just that because the mold was already, like, you know, pre-cut, like it's already ready for us to, you know, start making the ring. So yeah, that step kind of like it, but I think it's really good place. I think you guys should check it out. Kubo ring making, awesome, right? And the other thing I found out is I suck at cooking. So I wanted to cook at home for, you know, dinner instead of dining outside. So yeah, I used to think that I'm good at cooking. Yeah, I'm only good at cooking Burmese food. So yeah, totally screw it up. And yeah, just a lot of like practice, a lot of cooking to do. Wasn't a great dinner. The sauce was good. The sauce was amazing, but the steak was like, I don't even have the words for it. So yeah, and then I was supposed to make some cocktails at night, but somehow we both were really tired, so we called it a day. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think I'm going to be a little bit slower this year with all the videos and content that I want to create, but yeah, it's the first month of 2022 and I'm already like stressed out max. I really have like a few hard decisions for me to make, and yeah, I will try to make a separate video on that. But yeah, 2020, this is gonna be a tough year for me, man. It's just crazy how things are turning out, but yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.